Sportsman's Table is brought to you by the South Carolina Department of Agriculture. Whether you live in South Carolina or out of state, be sure to buy South Carolina grown meats, vegetables, and fruits. Make sure your food is South Carolina certified. It's a matter of taste.
Joining me today from the City Market in Florence, South Carolina is Val Criswell. She is our chef today with Peck Cafe, okay? Val, thank you for being a guest.
Absolutely.
Okay, I'm really excited about this Southern salad.
Yep.
Tell me about it and let's build one.
We love cold salads in South Carolina, and especially anything that you can mix with mayonnaise, right?
There you go, that's it, yeah.
Absolutely.
No kidding. Yeah.
So many times we have guests coming and we don't know what to prepare, and we are stuck in a rut of wanting to think about what can I put in the oven that's big and fancy and will impress people. But we forget that it is so easy to just put something out that's simple, and people appreciate the simplicity of something that they can do themselves.
Okay.
And so we're doing this Southern salad cold plate. And did you know that a cold plate is a thing?
It is. And
It is.
What salad is this one?
A cold plate really is just a this and a that.
Gotcha.
So you can actually just think about what your guests might enjoy or what you even already have in the refrigerator.
Okay.
Now, don't let the simplicity of this fool you, because you can make this as complicated as you like or as simple as you like. So I've got some deviled eggs here that were prepared. Now, these are homemade, but I did buy these at South Carolina Real Foods here in Florence,
okay,
where we prepare those. That's our sister store. And so all of these items are made homemade there. Now, look, you can make your own, but the simplicity here is good, but you do want to have high quality.
There you go.
So grocery store, okay, but even better, find a restaurant that will sell you these items, and you can just put them in a bowl, and nobody will even know that you didn't make them yourself.
Okay, well, listen, let me ask you real quick. Tell everybody what that salad is.
Yeah, so what I did was I took the naked chicken salad from a South Carolina Real Foods, which you can eat that plain, but it's also designed so that you can dress it up yourself. So this morning for you, for the show, I added in some grapes and some pecans.
Wow, and this
to dress
one?
that up.
Obviously.
Right, so this is our house pimento cheese.
Okay.
That's made in-house completely from scratch. And then we also have a ham salad. People don't remember that very much these days, but that is a delicious way. And so I'm just going to put out some crackers.
Okay.
And I'm going to put out some vegetables, and then that'll wrap it up, really, because
there you go.
Guests appreciate something simple that they can do themselves. I would finish this off, actually, Bob, with some sangria.
Oh, there you go.
Right, with some fresh fruit.
Sure.
Or some lemonade, something like that. And as you can see, you can just welcome your guests right in. I've got some pickled tomatoes and some fresh ranch dressing that came from the store also. Again, homemade is always better because you do want to impress your guests, but you don't want to go to a lot of trouble. I get that.
There you go. Well, Valerie, listen, this is true Southern right here.
Yes.
And I know Peck Cafe that's your trademark.
Yes,
that's
we
great.
love that.
And I want to thank you for being a guest on our show today.
My pleasure.
It has been a pleasure to have you in here, okay? We'll have to have you back.
Thank you.
All right. Folks, if you'd like more great recipes and food like you saw today on the Sportsman's Table, you can log on to CertifiedSCGrown.com and see what's fresh on the menu. We'll be right back here again next week with another great recipe on the Sportsman's Table.
To find out more information on food that's fresher and tastier, go online at CertifiedSCGrown.com. Buy certified South Carolina grown products. It's a matter of taste.